Hello and welcome. My name is Greg Dawes, and today we're going to talk about a brand new feature to ProPricer, dashboards. Dashboards provide a high-level overview of both your ProPricer working environment as well as proposal-specific information. Let's first take a look at the user dashboard. The user dashboard can be accessed by navigating to the Setup ribbon and clicking on Dashboard in the User section. This dashboard consists of 4 panels: Recently Opened Proposals, Recently Created Proposals, Recently Modified Proposals, and Recently Run Reports. Each of the 4 panels contains an Export To and a Maximize button. Additionally, the entire user dashboard has an Export To button. In the Recently Run Reports panel, clicking Run next to a report will open its report options for the selected proposal in the navigation pane. In each of the proposals panels, clicking the Properties button will take you to the proposal properties of the proposal. Clicking the Open button will open the proposal in your default view. In this case, the default proposal view is set to the proposal dashboard. Just like the user dashboard, the proposal dashboard consists of 4 panels, and each panel contains an Export To and Maximize button. There's also an Export To button for the entire proposal dashboard. The proposal dashboard consists of the Summary, Summary by Year, Views, and Summary by Type panels. The Summary panel displays high-level information about the proposal, such as the number of tasks and resources, hours, units, and cost information, as well as all of the proposal's indirect costs. The Summary by Year and Summary by Type panels display interactive charts about your proposal. You can change the type of charts in these panels by right-clicking and choosing Style. Right-clicking also provides access to other menu items like exporting or maximizing the chart so it fills the entire screen. On these charts, you can also drill down by clicking a specific section of the chart, and you can go back up or drill up by clicking here. The Views panel provides quick navigation to the various proposal views. I'd like to point out that you can still access proposal views by clicking the Proposal ribbon and selecting the drop-down under Dashboard. I know that some of you are saying, but I like the default Task View for Contractor Edition or Data View for Government Edition that I'm used to seeing. Well, you can change the default proposal view by accessing the Setup ribbon and clicking Preferences in the User section. Currently, the user preference options include Proposal and Recent Lists. The Proposal option allows you to choose your default proposal view. If we change this to Task View and click OK, then open a proposal by double-clicking it or right-clicking it and selecting one of the Open Proposal options, the proposal will open in Task View. Also, you'll notice that if we access the Proposal ribbon, the Dashboard button that we saw previously has been updated with our new default view, the Task View. The Recent Lists option allows you to specify how many items are displayed in the various dashboard panels. You must enter a number from 5 to 50. In summary, this episode has covered the new Dashboards feature, which consists of both the user dashboard and proposal dashboard. These dashboards give you a high-level overview of your ProPricer environment and proposal information. We also looked at how you can customize your default proposal view. Since dashboards are a new feature to ProPricer, you might see some changes in the future. If you have suggestions for what you'd like to see, head on over to the ProPricer support portal, log into your account, and click Enhancement Voting to provide your suggestions. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please share it with your colleagues who use ProPricer. If you have any questions about ProPricer, please email us directly. Again, my name is Greg Dawes, and as always, thanks for watching.